Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 25th of October 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty October future, Bank Nifty October future and a little bit on USDINR currency pair. Okay, so before moving ahead, I would like to tell you that I sincerely apologize if there are any crackers wise coming in the recordings of the charts because there is a Diwali celebration going on in our block and I again apologize, but please adjust with me only for a few days. Also, I would like to wish you a happiest Diwali to you and your family. Before moving ahead, I would also like to tell you that whatever has happened today in this market today, this video comment is purely based on my point of view, and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Keep that in mind. Alright, now let us get back on the screen. So as we can see, we have opened a Nifty October future. The previous close for the Nifty October future was 17,732, while the open was at 17,772, and the low was created at 17,642, while the high was created at 17,719. Okay, all right. So now let's go back to the charts and see how it has performed on a 3 minutes time frame. All right. So the morning SGX Nifty was also a gap up and. Then it went on a sideway range, and approximately at 9:15, the market started to open on a trading wise. Okay, so the market opened and quickly made a high of 17,788, as we can see over here. From here, we see when the market has opened up, it has went up. So this pivot line which we can see over here has become support number one. Okay, so when that becomes as a support number one, then when it breaks down, it says that the support has been broken and we can expect a downtrend to be coming in when is possible. Okay, so it reverse back, quickly makes a high of second high, which is 17,774. Okay, when we draw a trend line over here, we'll go with a line, not an horizontal line. When we draw a higher lows, okay, not higher highs, higher lows. First high drops back, breaks the support, goes up again, touch the supports, okay, which is created over here exactly in the line, and then breaks down, okay, breaks down at approximately 10:15, and to touch this pivot level, which is S number 2, S number 3, which is support number 2, support number 3. Okay, it reaches the support number 3 in 4 hours. Why? Because the market was very sideways and it was very boring. Hardly it gave like 30 points up, 30 points on, 30 points up, 30 points on. That was all the movement only happening in the Nifty and Bank Nifty today. And Nifty was approximately 50 to 60 points down, and even Bank Nifty was same as well. And they were like completely sideways. But I'll tell you what exactly happened post 2 o'clock 2:30. Okay, so after this it touched the pivot level again, slightly went up. Okay, I'll draw one more trend line over here. It touches the higher lows. Okay, creates over here. When we draw one more over here, we can see how it has made. Okay, so the second trend line would come from over here. Okay, so the first higher lows, second higher lows, then third higher lows has been touched over here, and from here it breaks down. Okay, breaks down, and so it touches the low of 17,651, quickly makes a high within no time, within like 1 hour it makes a high of 17,714. Thought that it has touched the support, and we thought after touching it the support, this becomes resistance number one. So we thought that this would touch the resistor number one. Okay, but it did not, and it took a reversal from over here, and then the crash came, and it closed at 17,652. All right, now let us come back to Bank Nifty October future. Okay, so the Bank Nifty October future previous closing was at 17,270, while the open was at 41,530. Low was created at 41,035, while the high was created at 41,540. All right, now when we go back to the charts on the 3 minutes time frame, okay, so we can see a huge gap up happening over here. So the huge gap up has been happened, and the market has went up until once again, yeah, 41,000. All right. Yeah. 41,530. Okay. So the market is open at 41,530. It quickly made a high of 41,540, and from there it never came back. Okay. It just took a heavy rejection. A lot of selling pressure came. Yesterday was a moderate trading, so a lot of selling has also happened. Okay, so when I draw a trend line over here, let me go there and choose a line and then create a line and then okay, so I have created a higher lows. It touches up, breaks down to 41,143 and quickly goes or moves up to 41,379. From here it breaks down up until support. Okay, so support has been broken over here. So from approximately 10:15 till 2 o'clock, the market of Bank Nifty, you can see the Bank Nifty has clearly been in the range. Okay, let me draw it again for you. Okay, so the market has hardly been moving from this point. Okay, so the top is 41,246 while the bottom is 41,145, just 100 points movement. Imagine what a sideway market it would be if a bank nifty is moving between a range of 100 points. It's not either breaking upwards, it's not either breaking downwards, but it tried to, so see, listen, okay, so at the bottom it took one support, it tried to break but failed. Second, it failed. Okay, so at the top, first failed. Okay, second fail, but third, see here, when here two are there, two. Okay, now fifth one, whichever side it will break it. Okay, so the fifth one, it tried to break up, and in the 3 minutes time frame the candle has closed above this. When the candle has closed above this, what does that means? That it means it's going to go up. Okay, it even goes up, it even moves 100 points up until 41,379, and then again profit booking comes and a lot of selling pressure comes over here. When the selling pressure comes, this 3 minutes candle closes below this. That means again what? That the market will close and touch this pivot level, and it will even close below that, and that is what exactly happened. The market has closed at 41,041, and this is how the market has moved today. We can expect a gap down tomorrow. Okay, a little bit of gap down, but the US market is also trading in green right now. Dow is trading approximately 200 to 250 points higher, and but when the US market opened, they have opened in the red, and then from there they have turned green. But we can expect the market to open over somewhere here, and then from here it may go up. The market to open above 41,200, but I don't see anything happening over like that. PCR is also uh, one second, what was the PCR? Let me check again. The PCR was and is at 1.4, which is quite bullish, not much, but yeah. So we can see it may open a little bit gap down, and then from here it may move up until 41,277, or it may even move up until okay, one second. The pivot has gone over here, so let me add pivot points and then okay, so it may go up until 41,400. That would be my target. And the bottom side, my target would be 40,750. Now we can also see that the USD INR, how it has moved. Okay, so the USD INR opening was at previous close was at 82.8325, while the open was at 82.81. Okay, and the high was 82.93 while the low was at 82.57.75. Okay, so how USD INR has moved is USD INR had closed around 82.91, and then from here the bottom of this, it has directly opened at 73 and then dropped and touched the support level, and from here it has only been recovering because USD INR is supposed to be going opposite to Nifty 50, and then if Nifty 50 was slightly sideways and a bearish one, so that's why the USD INR had been a little bit weaker, and dollar kept on getting stronger, and then USD INR pair had closed at approximately 82.8575, and it has just moved been an uptrend. Okay, so we can expect this to even go higher tomorrow. We can see USD INR touching 83. My first target would be on the upside, and a little more 83.16 on the downside. My target would be 82.59. Well, thank you so much everyone for staying up until here and listening to this video commentary on post market reports. Thank you so much, everyone. Wishing you all again a happiest Diwali. See you all in the next episode. Peace.